So the price of XCN is currently trading at around 0.01414. We are left with 2 hours and 52 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now, in our previous video, I specifically gave you guys this zone to start DCA into. You understand? So congratulations if you paid attention and took action, because Zebec had a massive reversal pump to the upside, tapped into this minus bearish order block zone, got a rejection from there. Now we are gradually heading to the upside. Now we are going to discuss that very shortly. Our trading volume is gradually recovering, likewise to the market cap and also the price. And if you're looking at the chart, when we got this massive dip, this was when we got a massive pump to the upside on that 2 4-hour candle. So congratulations if you paid attention. We're going to be talking about the BTC price update and the BTC dominance chart in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect. Also the orders chart, excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. So my name is Isaac. For those new to my channel, if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time we drop new video like this. And if you're yet to like this video, please smash the like button, like this video, share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Now, this order chart is one of the charts you all should be paying attention to in order to get a clear picture and also to build your confidence, to motivate you to continue holding. We are now gradually making our way back to the upside, and if we are able to take out this liquidity around 0.0150 zone, then there's nothing stopping us from taking the next liquidity out, which is 0.0154. The moment we are taking this final liquidity out, then expect XCN coin to tap into this obvious bearish order block, which we are likely to get a rejection from there, a correction from there. But that shouldn't phase you. You understand? Remember, I told you guys in the previous video, the moment we are getting that correction, we might get a bounce from around 0.0154 zone. So that zone is likely to act as a breaker block, which we are going to get a reversal from there. So the moment you see XCN coin flipping this bearish order block into a support, then it's going to be a new parabolic move. XCN is going to skyrocket to a new high, making new high until it breaks the all-time high, the previous all-time high. Hold on to your horses very well. There's no cause for alarm. There's no need to panic. Joy is coming. We are still privileged to get an entry around 0.0130 zone. I think you all should bet and go in heavily. Whatever I say is really my own opinion, by the way, and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. The moment XCN grants another entry opportunity around 0.0137 or 0.0130, you all should bet on it heavily. DCA into it heavily on the spot market, not leverage or futures. Avoid futures for now. So the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, I think it's better we stick on the monthly time frame in order to get the wider picture of what's really happening. Now the BTC dominance is currently at 65.50%. We are left with 26 days and 3 hours until this current monthly candle closes. Now we need to see a massive retracement on this BTC dominance in order to officially welcome ourselves into altcoin season. As long as that is not happening yet, altcoins are going to continue to underperform, and BTC would be the only asset performing better in the entire crypto space. The current price of BTC is seated at $108,061. We are left with 2 hours and 42 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes on BTC. Now, when we lost this support, this very important critical support zone around $108,499 on the price of BTC, we broke down, tapped into the zone of around $107,300 or $262, and then got another pump. The moment that pump is happening, I just knew the previous support that we lost is going to act as a resistance, which was what happened when we pumped back to that previous support zone. We turned it into a resistance. We got a massive rejection from there to the downside. Now the only what you guys should be paying attention now is we reclaiming the previous support. As long as we are below the previous support, BTC is still bearish to me. But I don't care about BTC actually. I only care about altcoins. So we need to see the price of BTC pump, and we need to see the BTC dominance chart retrace aggressively in order to welcome ourselves into altcoin season. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance chart retrace aggressively and you see the BTC price pumping, then altcoins should be in an explosive phase by then. That is when you can begin to see 20% a day profit, 100%, 200% a day profit in some of the altcoins in the crypto space. Now, the last time the BTC dominance retraced minus 4%, which was this, I think, few months ago, the last time it retraced minus 4%, I can still remember some altcoins were pumping minus plus 50%, plus 100%, plus 200% in a single day. Now imagine when we eventually start retracing minus 10%, minus 15%, minus 20%, minus 30%, minus 35%, minus 40%. It's going to be explosive for the entire meme coin and altcoin market, like seriously. Now historically, the usual bottom for the BTC dominance is usually around 39.36% area, which I won't advise you to hold on to your altcoins until we get to that price zone. If you want to be on the safer side, I would advise you to take at least 80%, sell 80% of your altcoin holding when the BTC dominance get to around 47.0%. Because we are definitely going to get a bounce from there in this previous breaker block on the monthly time frame for the BTC dominance. Now, history failed to repeat itself this time around. If not, historically, the month of May is usually when the BTC dominant bottoms. It happened in May 2021. Same thing happened in May 2018 in the previous market cycle. But the reason why history didn't repeat itself this time around is as a result of the change in the crypto space, change on how things works. And it's all due to the massive institutional adoption, global adoption, government involvement, smart money manipulation, and all that. But it can only delay the altcoin season. But altcoin season is inevitable. Now, let's pay attention to the orders chart. This is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. That is to say, this chart you are currently seeing, we are currently on the weekly time frame, is the entire cryptocurrencies market cap, excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. The last time this pattern formed, when we broke out and flipped it into a support, we got a massive rally of over 5 weeks to the upside. Do you know what it means for the altcoin market to be in a massive rally of over 5 weeks to the upside? And that wasn't even the altcoin season. Now imagine this breakout and retest that just happened aligning with the altcoin season. That is to say, the pump this time around is going to be diabolical, is going to be out of this world. Like the previous pump we had, this 5 weeks pump, several last year, is going to be a child's play compared to what we should expect next. Now, this was the previous high of the last market cycle, the $491 billion. By the way, this pump we had previously in the last year, we added over $260 billion to the altcoin market. Now, the previous all-time high for the orders chart was $491 billion, which happened in 2021. A lot of you, like if you were in the crypto space by then, you should know what's up, November 2021. Now, this time around, I think we are going to take out that previous high due to the maturity cryptocurrency market is now, institutional adoption and all that. The moment we are pumping this time around, which is definitely going to align with the altcoin season, making it more scary bullish. The moment we are pumping this tab around, breaking, taking out this previous resistance, flipping it into a support, expect for the orders chart to tap into the $600 billion zone, $700 billion zone. I want to be as realistic as possible. We might even tap into the $1 trillion zone. Anything can happen. This is crypto. So that's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Scared money makes no money. Invest wisely. And then like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Turn on the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, to your Reddit, to your Twitter page, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your just name it. As always, thanks for watching. Peace out.